Grab these simple ingredients, your air fryer, and I have the perfect diabetic lunch that even the kids will love. Can't have a fun recipe without ingredients, and these are super simple. We have our Mission Carb Balance Wraps. Now you notice I have 2 packages. The reason is because I want you to make sure they're going to fit in your air fryer. We have a red onion, the G. Hughes barbecue sauce, which I absolutely love, mozzarella cheese, rotisserie chicken that has been chopped, and if you don't have mozzarella cheese, of course you can use a cheese stick. Now this part is optional, but I love it. I love cutting up parchment paper. Just make sure to cut the size of your air fryer. Again, this is optional. It's one of my favorites to do because it makes cleanup super simple. You're gonna go ahead and cut about a 1/4 or maybe even an 1/8, depending how large. This is a large red onion, into rings. I absolutely adore red onions. I think it adds really a punch of flavor. You don't have to use these. You know, onions are pretty low calorie, and 3.5 ounces, which is absolutely not as much as we're using right now. It's only 40 calories, so say yes to the onion, but of course you can leave it out. Now, one thing I didn't tell you, I have the Mission Wraps here. You can heat them for about 10 to 20 seconds in your microwave to soften them up. We love these because they are a great source of fiber. We know fiber is so important in any diabetic and weight loss plan. It keeps us fuller longer, prevents those blood sugar drops. There are tons of other brands, and I want you to list your favorite brand in the comments below. You can get these at your Walmart, Kroger, and my new favorite grocery store, which is Aldi. Now, I know I'm going to get a little poo-poo for the next thing, which is chicken. Y'all are going to be like, oh my God, she got it in the deli counter. Well, it is the rotisserie chicken that they did chop up and slice very thin. I like it. You can use your organic brand. You can cook the chicken yourself and slice it. I'm all about saving time. I love rotisserie chicken. You see that I have spread about a 1/4 of cup of mozzarella cheese that's already shredded. You know, again, I'm a time saver. Some of y'all will shred your own cheese. Please go for it. It's like I teach in my clinic. And if you're new here, I'm Dietitian Shelly. During the day, I work in a clinic. At night, I make fun recipes, all to lower your blood sugars, have a little hormone balance, and for weight loss. And I take a tablespoon of our G. Hughes, but pardon me, we're gonna layer those onions first, then that G. Hughes barbecue sauce. What is your favorite? G. Hughes to this day is still my favorite. There's no high fructose corn syrup in there. It is a diabetic-friendly product, but I want to hear your brands. Caring is sharing, and that's why I love this community that we've built that now has over 60,000 subscribers, which thank you. I cannot thank you all enough from the bottom of my heart for allowing me to share what I love. Now we're gonna go ahead and roll this up. It's gonna get a little messy. You see my fingers have a little bit of barbecue sauce on it. Just simply wash your hands, grab that air fryer basket, layer these in there, and you're gonna cook it You're gonna do a little spray, which are nonstick cooking spray. Cook it for about 4 to 6 minutes. I would check at the 3-minute mark. I like to check halfway through. Some folks don't. Normally, it will take 4 to 6 minutes. Your air fryer may need an extra minute or 2. That's not a problem at all. And gang, if you were too busy laughing and just paying attention to the video and not writing the recipe down, I have it in the description box, as well as my 7-day menu that will lower blood sugars and cause weight loss. I'm Dietitian Shelly. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe. Much love, gang.